Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will talk about Simulator 2.0 new function, Style3D Wind. The main points of knowledge and the order of explanation are as follows. Let us have a look. First, we open the actor panel. Search Wind Directional Source, and add to scene. Opt for Wind Directional Source, add Style3D Wind component. In the Style3D Wind component, check Enable to turn on wind. There have two types: planar and spherical. Planar are only global orientation. Spherical have two attributes, position and orientation. And you can adjust strength, frequency, turbulence. Next, let's take a look at these two types of wind and the adjustment of each value. Now, let's look at the simulation for the default value planar. We change the strength to 600. And rotate wind direction. Operation. You can see, the higher the number, the stronger the wind. Then adjust the frequency to 15. Turbulence coefficient to 20. Operation. Wind speed cycles every 1/frequency second. The smaller the turbulence coefficient, the more orderly the flow state. Now look at the spherical. Move position. Operation. You can see, spherical have two attributes, position and orientation. Next, we will add the Style3D Wind component to the sequence for use. Add wind from the scene to the track. Add Style3D Wind component under wind. Add parameter. Set the keyframe in the track. Click Sequence Curves, and adjust the curve. Add camera. Lengthen the render time and adjust the camera focus. Click Render to simulate the film. Style3D Wind component is finished. Thank you for watching, and welcome to like and share this video. Join the discussion in the comment section. See you next time.